Welcome to another video of selecting PAGC Live, get subscribed through your smart TV. So here I'll be showing how to find PAGC Live on your smart TV and how to get subscribed there and how to watch the show. So typically what we do that everybody has a smart TV nowadays, and mine is a Roku, the one I'm demoing with. It has every TV has different features. So what you have to do that find the YouTube app. So I'm clicking a home button or the app button on the Roku TV where it will show me all the apps. Your TV may have different. So there should be a designated button to find all the apps. Find that, or if there is a home button, press that. I'm pressing the home button. It comes to the home and I see the YouTube app is there. Just there is a arrows up, down, left, right arrows, and there is a select key on your remote. Every remote pretty much have it. And then right arrow key, keep doing and search for the YouTube app. If it is not there, keep going down or up. You'll see the YouTube app and then find it. You see there is a box around it and then you select it using the select button on your remote. So YouTube app will come. And just like I had it previously, PAGC Live search, it come up, but I'll show you on my search. So you see there is a search button on the left hand side. Typically on the YouTube app, there's hourglass, looking glass. So you click the search and then you come to the actual search screen where you can type the PAGC Live, PAGC-Live or space live, and you'll see that. Most of the time it should come up as soon as you click PAGC or type PAGC, but I'll type the whole word. So PAGC, and then I go down, there is a button for space. I say space and then I click. It has already come up, but I still keep on typing in case you don't see it. I have already searched in my TV, so it remembers it in a YouTube app, and that's the way I just type the whole word. You see on the left hand side next to my wife's icon, this is my wife's YouTube channel or signed in as that. You see PAGC Live, E is still suggesting, so I just click E as well. It comes PAGC Live. So I would suggest if it's the first time, just type whole PAGC Live and then you'll see it. Then click your left arrow, keep on until you see the PAGC Live, the only PAGC, not the PAGC Family Player Live. The PAGC Live is selected and click OK. Or what you can do, you can go down arrow and select the PAGC logo. You see PAGC Live logo, 102 subscriber. You can click that one as well. Doesn't matter which one you click. As long as you click PAGC Live, you'll see directly go there. And typically all the shows will come up here. Upcoming shows, as is saying, the May 31st, the first show is coming is Hemant Kumar show, May 31st. And on the right hand side, on the top, next to the PAGC Live, you see there's a subscribe button. I just using the arrow again, up and down arrow and left and right arrow and click subscribe, and it gets subscribed. So if you are not subscribed, you will get subscribed. My wife was not subscribed, so I subscribed her. Hopefully she'll be fine, and then I can go and watch it. So whenever you are about to watch, you can watch in your YouTube Live on your TV, so you can see the big things come up. And one more thing is that it is full, which I find useful. Like you see that there's something called watch trailer. So if you click that, so all the upcoming show, typically we try to put it, and that trailer of the upcoming live show is coming. I believe this is the upcoming live show trailer happening. So that's the way. So I'm going back. So again, click the back arrow. I'll go back to the live. So you are already subscribed and you know what to do. So the process is very simple. So you go back to the home, go to the YouTube channel, and then you are already subscribed. So what you have to do that you just go to the search button. You should see the recommendation is coming there. If not, click the search button, and then you just, the moment you click BGC or start typing, since I did it before, you'll see on the left hand side coming up BGC Live, and you click it, you'll see the live show. Thank you for watching.